Hi guys, and welcome to another Elementor WordPress plugin video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been putting together this little site with Elementor. It's a fantastic plugin for building your WordPress website. Comes in two versions, a pro and a free version. You can download either from my affiliate link just below this video. So today we're going to embed a Facebook post into our site here. Really handy thing to be able to do, and you can do it with anybody's post, but I'm going to do it with one of mine. So let's get started. I'm going to go back to the Elementor page. Let's get rid of this actual section and we'll start again. Okay, so I'm going to add a new section. Little blue tab, left click on the plus key. I'm going to hit the plus there. I'm going to add a sort of 2/3 and 1/3 section right there. And inside this first one, if I go back to our little grid of widgets here, let's go down. All these are available in the free one plus a bunch more. And here are our pro ones. If I keep on going down, I want a Facebook embed. So I'm going to left click on that, hold my mouse button down, just drag it up to where I want it. And as you can see, it's plopped one in there, which is obviously from the Elementor site. I want to put one in there from my own site. And if you look underneath, it tells you to hover over the date of your post and copy the link address to put it in there. So let's have a look. Here's my post. Well, here's 7 hours. I guess that's the date. There's the date. So I'm going to right click and copy link address. Go back to our page and I'll paste it in instead of this one. There we go, and as you can see, it's plopped that in there nicely for us. Okay, that's it, done. Let's just style the rest of this section. Here's the section tab, the blue one up here. I'm going to click on it right in the middle here. Style wise, I'm going to give it a background color. I'll give it a sort of blue, something like this. Maybe a little bit brighter perhaps. There we go. And I want to give it a bit of padding top and bottom, so I'll go to the advanced. I'm going to uncheck this because I just want to do top and bottom, and let's say give it 70 on the top and 70 on the bottom. Fantastic. Let's move over to our little next row here and put a little title in. Back to the widgets matrix there. So I'm going to put a heading. I want that to be in the middle. Let's make it white in color. Great. Let's go back to our matrix and get a text editor. I'll just plop that below it. I'll just copy this over a couple of times because I really haven't got anything to say about it. It's in there, you can't see it very well. I'll change the color. It's filling out a bit of space there. Style wise, it's alright, align left. Let's give it a color. Now we can actually see it. It's a bit close to our post there, so let's give it a bit of padding left and right. I'm going to uncheck this because I just want to do the left and right. And I'll start with the right, give it 20, and the left, and also give it 20. If you want to change those styles on your mobile and tablets, just click on the little monitor icon up here, and you can change it for tablet and mobile if you want to change things there. Update. Now let's hit our little preview changes button. And you won't see an awful lot of difference. There it is. We've got an embedded Facebook post in our page, a little paragraph of text about it to the side there. Really easy to do. Elementor just really is so simple to use, it's unbelievable. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. Like I say, you can download the free or the pro version from my affiliate link below this video. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.